Writing a review tutorial. We encourage you to share your experience if you have tried or currently use any of our products. Your opinion is important to us and may also benefit other shoppers. You also earn rewards points by doing so. To write a review, first, you would need to find the product you wish to review, and to do so, go to the Products tab on our main menu. Choose from our product categories, and make your way down to the product page. Once on the product page you wish to review, click on the star rating next to the bottle, which will quickly take you down to the review section. Once there, you can click on the green button on the right. You must have a user account in order to post a review. Type in your credentials and log in. Choose your rating, add a title, write your review, answer additional questions, and click on the green button on the bottom to post your review. Your feedback is important to us. We appreciate your participation. Thank you for choosing ActiveHerb.